In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Drive with Notion. If you want to keep your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or other files connected directly inside your Notion workspace, this is a very simple feature to use. It helps you keep everything in one place, so instead of switching back and forth between apps, you can access important Google Drive files right from the page you are already working on in Notion. To get started, open the Notion page where you want to add the file. This can be an existing page you already use for projects, notes, or team resources. Or it can be a brand new page if you want to build a dedicated space for linked documents. The main thing is to make sure you are on the exact page where you want the Google Drive file to appear. Once you are there, click into the page so your cursor is active. Then type /drive or /Google and press enter. This will create a Google Drive block inside the page. In Notion, /commands are a quick way to insert different kinds of content. And this one is specifically designed for embedding or linking files from Google Drive. After the block appears, you'll have two easy options for adding your file. The first option is to click Browse Google Drive. If you choose this, Notion will prompt you to sign in to your Google account if you are not already logged in. From there, you can browse your Google Drive and select the file you want to insert. This is usually the easiest method if you are not sure of the file's exact link or if you want to visually find it in your drive. The second option is to paste the URL of the Google Drive document directly into the block. This is especially useful if you already have the link copied and want to move faster. Just paste the document URL into the Google Drive block, and Notion will attach it there. As you do this, make sure the file has the appropriate sharing permissions if other people need to access it from Notion. Otherwise, they may be able to see the link but not open the document itself. And that's it. Once the file is added, your Google Drive content is now connected to your Notion page, making it much easier to organize your work and keep important resources within reach.